Roman era stone remains in Britain, part 40, Aldborough.
Yes, I do read everybody's comments, and somebody has suggested that I look at the site we present today. And please enjoy.
A site open to the public since 1948. Isurium Brigantum. At the site, there's a museum, there's 2 mosaics in separate rooms that you can see, and lots of artifacts and stone remains. Established around 70 years AD.
I appreciate everyone subscribing to my channel, and doing this Roman series has increased our circulation, and please subscribe.
A landscape in use today. Much more is still to be discovered within this rich landscape.